Bienvenidos y vigilen a sus niños. Una vez que el conductor nos dé la luz verde, empezará el concierto.
Enjoy your concert.
So our concert ends. Please stay seated until your Silly Symphony Swing comes to a stop. Then lift the lap bar, check for your belongings, and leave through the nearest exit. Thanks for swinging with us. Feel free to breeze on by anytime. For your safety and enjoyment during the concert, please remain seated. Hold on to your lap bar and do not try to twist, rock, or grab onto any other swings at any time. And be sure to watch your children. Once we're given the all clear from our conductor, the concert will begin.